Number 1, anything in an experiment that can change the outcome. Number 2, prediction about the outcome of an experiment. Number 3, statement that sums up what you learned from an experiment. Number 4, what you measure or observe to obtain your results. Number 5, measurements and other observations. Number 6, one factor that is changed in an experiment. Number 7, what the person performing the activity sees, hears, feels, smells, or tastes. Number 8, factors in an experiment that stay the same. Your word bank is at the bottom.